So we're going to build up on this as well. We're going to add in some more detail to this. So what I want to do is add in my render views. So in the renderings heading, just click and drag both in. To adjust the size, just double click inside, select the image, and there's just our cropping window. So we'll just reduce the image down in size. I can place it over the other to get a rough idea of a similar size. So select the image to reduce the title, and then we can reposition the title again. And next, what I'm going to add on as well will be our detail callout that we created. So again, just click and drag it into the drawing. I'm going to change the name to the detail 1. And again, I'm going to change the numbering as well. And that's our elevation sheet.